Alright, see if Knox will eat some. Maybe pinky mice, rats, whatever, something like that. Alright, buddy, here you go. Some of it. Yeah, good eater. Good boy. By the way, this is a new cage I moved him in. It was Beast's cage. He's in that 10-gallon right now. Beast is the mountain horn dragon. Here's Knox's new cage. Of course, he's shitting in water. It's just a plexiglass, temporary. Got him out of that big glass one. He likes this one a whole lot better. It's a lot warmer, more humidity. Alright. Here's another one. Let's go, Knox. I know you want it. Ah, good boy. Fucking champion. That's Knox.